Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Toyota Tacoma V6 TRD off-road. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and a six-speed manual transmission. This Toyota has less than 68,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include towing package, 6-disc CD changer, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.